After we have created the model package, we are going to create another package called util, and this will serve as utility package. So I create 3 classes inside it. The first one called utils. This will contain the information used in the calls. So public static string API underscore key equal to your key here. So in order to get the API key, we log in onto the tmdb.org website, and we select the API here, and we scroll down to the API key here, copy it, and paste it here. This is the first one. The second one need the base URL. So as I told you in the previous videos, that there is a base URL and the endpoint URL. The base URL that it's common between all the calls, it's here. HTTPS API. If you scroll to here, try it now, it's here. /3. Copy and paste it. This is the base URL. The second thing that we are going to make is the movie comparator. This movie comparator class, it compares for movie object to avoid the duplicates. So it extends from def util dot item callback, and we pass it the movie. Alt plus enter to import the class here, and Alt plus enter to implement the methods. These are the 2 methods. Here are items the same, so we return the old item dot get id dot equals to new item dot get id. Is it equal to this? And in the same way here, old item dot get id equals to new item dot get id. This is the movie comparator. Another utility class that I am going to use, it's called grid space. This will extend the item decorator. So recycler view dot item decoration. I will create 3 attributes: span count, private int spacing, private boolean include edge. Alt plus enter to create a constructor, and this is the grid space constructor. Now I will create and I will override get item offset class method inside this class grid space, and I will paste the code directly because it's not related to paging library. So let's concentrate and focus on the code that we have made this app for it, which is the paging library, dagger, held, and so on. So this, it checks if include the edge boolean or variable is true. If it is not true, then make this spacing. So you can download the source codes from the resources folder on Udemy course. Till now, we have created the util package